Hi, this is Terry. I've lost 180 pounds with a combination of keto, carnivore, and counting calories. I started my journey in August of 2019 and reached my goal in November of 2022. Now that I've reached my goal, I'm focusing on my health, both physical and mental. Thank you for watching. So here is my cart. We are shopping for the upcoming family 4th of July trip, and I'm just showing you how full my cart is. This is gonna be a whopper, but that's okay. I budgeted for it. Here's how it looks after I'm done. So I get all the packing, get in my bags, and she's overflowing, guys. And look at little Tawanda. She is full to the gills, guys. Ignore all that fur. Haha. But she is full, guys. She's full to the gills. Y'all, because of no tripod, we're going to be doing this different. I'm just going to have to hand show you. We got dog food. We have some dog treats. I buy all rawhide-free dog treats. We have 4 bags of cabbage. Some of this is for the trip, and some of it's for home, so it's a big combination of things. Some of this is for work. I'm taking these to work. These are coffee pods. Then for the trip, I picked up some French vanilla coffee and some caramel pecan coffee. I have 2 things of tomatoes. And again, some of this is home, some is for the trip. Blueberries for the trip, cantaloupe just for the trip. I got 2 jicama here. I got 2 things of my Laughing Cow cheese. I picked up a spaghetti squash and a sweet potato. I got these grapes. Let me find a spot for it. Got 10 apples. Trying to kind of work my way around. This is just a little bit awkward. One of y'all told me about hearts of palm, so I picked up some. I have some cheesecake jello and some butterscotch jello. These are the ones for my creamy that I make. What's this? I wanted to see what artichoke hearts. I picked up some of those. I've had them in my life, but I just wanted to, I've never really bought any. So we got some grain-free hearts of palm spaghetti. Got some Thousand Island. Okay, I got 3 different of the Torani syrups. This size will be great for travel, but then also be good for home whenever I get back. Not sure which flavors I'll take. I got 2 Fairlife milks. I picked up my slow cooker liners because you know I love me some liners. The 12-pack of toilet paper. We got a 2-pack of Bounty. And for the trip, and then after I get back, if there's any left over, got some Quest protein chips. That's the loaded taco. I really love the spicy sweet chili, but they didn't come in a big bag. So I picked up a couple of those. See where we're at here. We got us some no sugar added sweet pickles. And we got some of this Begga all-purpose ranch. Got some razors because going to need to shave for the trip. I got 2 of these no sugar added relish. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, back here. These were on sale for $3. Or actually they're on clearance, so I bought 3 of them. This is the freeze-dried garlic. I love that stuff. So I picked up 3 of them. Then we have some of my no sugar added bread and butter chip pickles. I got 2 jars of those. I already told you about the Fairlife. Let me make a definite line so I can move to the other side. We've got 2 packs of the 18-pack eggs. Got a pineapple for the trip. 2 rutabaga. I'm still a little sketch on them, but I don't know. Not sure if they're going to be good or not, and I'm not going to be cutting them into them until later in the week. Pineapple. We got some banana peppers. Got some Fage yogurt this time. I got a little bougie. I went a little upscale this time. I picked up another thing of everything bagel. I got 4 of these flavor enhancers. I finished one up at Mom's last night, so I want to take her another one since I use it so often. Smoked paprika. One of y'all had said that for my that pickled veg, that the one I'm missing was malt vinegar. So we're going to add that to it. Got some avocado oil. It's not perfect, but it'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. We've got our Sure deodorant, a thing of salsa. I needed some more Bosch body wash, so I'm going to try this smell. And I got 4 of these flavored waters. Thought I could take a couple on the trip. Okay, let's talk meat. They were all bloody. So I don't know. Some people say that's not blood. That's just whatever. And I don't care what you want to call it. It was red fluid coming out on the bottom of these. So they are all still in the Walmart sack, double bagged. So I'm going to pop those in the freezer as soon as we hang up here. But I got 4 of those, and I got 4 of these. I always buy the chicken thighs because I get choked on chicken breast. So this right here is my shopping haul. And I'll let you see it all. And again, this is for our, partly for our family 4th of July trip, 4th of July weekend trip. So there you go. That's the things that I bought. Some of it's mine, some of it's theirs, some of it's mine and going to be mine when I get back. So there you go, guys. Hey, you guys, I forgot to tell you my total. Now, hang on, let me see here. It was $557. So $557 for all that stuff. So I know usually I try to stick around $400, but this was a different deal. So I had different things and different needs. Okay, bye.